Security Now Illustrated by AskMrWizard.com, illustrating concepts, mechanisms, and algorithms from the amazing Security Now podcast by Steve Gibson and Leo Laporte. Episode 17, PPTP and IPsec VPN Technology. This is segment 3, VPN Pass-Through. While speaking about VPNs, Steve recognized that some VPN users are not road warriors, referring to telecommuters who access their corporate networks while working from home. These people don't VPN to their homes, they VPN from them. As a result, there are two kinds of VPN routers. One of two, VPN server NAT routers, and two of two, VPN pass-through NAT routers. To set the scene for this segment, suppose Leo is at home, needing to VPN from his home into a VPN server at his office.
There are two ways, though, that a router can support VPN, so we want to be clear about this. Routers for a long time have supported what's called VPN traversal, or VPN pass-through. VPN pass-through acknowledges the problem of changing the port on as the packet emerges from the NAT router. So what VPN pass-through does is for one VPN connection, that is, if you're connecting to one remote server, the router recognizes, oh look, this is UDP port 500, which is what IPsec uses for its transport. It deliberately leaves the port alone. It leaves it as 500 when it comes out the other side of the NAT router and puts it out onto the internet, specifically so that the IPsec packet is not broken. So the idea is this would allow somebody working at home who had to have a VPN connection to their corporate server. It would allow them to still get a VPN connection to their corporate server even if they've got a NAT router in their home environment that would normally break VPN because it's just, VPN, IPsec cannot traverse through NAT. So VPN pass-through is different than a VPN endpoint.
To see the other segments and related resources for this episode, please join us at AskMrWizard.com. Select Security Now from the prominent section index at the top of the homepage. Choose an episode from the index at the bottom, and then select a segment from the resulting page. The original audio-only version of this podcast can be found on the Gibson Research Corporation site at grc.com/securitynow. This clip illustrates some of the highlights from that show. This video clip comes from a large collection of related clips. All are indexed and easy to find at www.askmrwizard.com, along with related items, text articles, illustrations, and forums. Please visit us today. We appreciate your support. Thank you.